Session 3. Planning a trip to the coast or lake. Our learning objective is to understand how to effectively prepare for a visit to the coast, choosing a safe location as well as the basics of entering the water safely. There are 2 activities, so again, pen, pencil, paper and colouring pencils and pens if you have them. Session 3. Plan a trip to the coast or lake. Our learning objective is to understand how to effectively prepare for a visit to the coast, choosing a safe location as well as the basics of entering the water safely. Choosing a safe location. How can we spot the dangers? Is the water flat and calm? Is there a safe entry and exit to the water? What is the weather forecast? Could the conditions change? Is there any sea life or hidden obstacles? Is the beach supervised by a lifeguard, or can you see a lake warden? Are there any signs and flags? Remember, always swim in a safe place. Always swim with an adult. If you fall in, float, breathe, relax. If someone else is in trouble, call 999 or 112. It's more fun swimming with your friends or family, but it's also important that you never swim alone and ensure you are always supervised. Agree a plan to meet just in case you get lost, somewhere visible like the lifeguard hut. Do you remember what to do in an emergency? If you are in danger, signal for help, use the survival stroke to swim to safety, or adopt the huddle or help position to keep warm. If you see others in danger, call 112 and ask for the Coast Guard or call 999. Activity number 6. Can you design a water safety t-shirt? Take your time and design the t-shirt on a piece of paper, or if you have an old t-shirt, can you draw on that? Before you set off, what do you need to know? What time is high tide or low tide? Will this affect when and where you can swim? Is the area suitable to swim? What are the flags and signs telling you? Have you looked at the weather forecast? Before you set off, what do you need to pack? A swimming costume and a towel, a wetsuit if the weather is cold, a brightly coloured t-shirt or rash vest, a brightly coloured swim hat, something that floats and you can attach to yourself. Food and drink. Swimming is thirsty work. Activity number 7. Can you write a checklist to help you plan a visit to the beach or lake? Think about what you need to know about the area and what you need to pack. How to get into the water safely. Once you've checked the location and packed everything you need, it's time to enter the water. Running into the sea or diving straight in is not the safest way of entering the water. Wade in gently, allowing your body to adjust to the water. Wading also helps you search the floor for any hidden obstructions and feel for any sudden changes in depth. Always check the bottom and under the water for submerged objects. Slide your feet carefully along the floor. Turn your back to any waves. Keep your feet on the floor as waves pass. Do not jump. Here's a video demonstration.
Safety tips for wading entry. entering the water, check your surroundings for submerged objects and slide your feet slowly and carefully along the floor. Turn your back to any waves and try to resist the urge to jump as they pass. Instead, keep your feet safely on the floor.
Well done. You have finished all 3 sessions. Now it's time to take on the end of session quiz. Now it's time to see how much you can remember. There are 10 questions in this quiz. Question number 1. Swimming indoors is different to swimming outdoors. Can you give 3 differences you need to consider? You may wish to pause this video at the end of each question. Question 2. What colour flags mean it is safe to enter the water and a lifeguard is on duty? Question 3. Give 2 reasons why you should wear a brightly coloured swim hat when swimming outdoors. Question 4. If you saw someone in danger while swimming outdoors, what number should you call and who should you ask for? Question 5. Give 2 examples of choosing a safe location to swim outdoors. Question 6. How does a wetsuit help retain your body heat when in cold water? Question 7. If you are in cold water and you want to keep warm and safe, what positions would you take? Question 8. What do the initials HELP stand for? Question 9. If a sign near water is the shape of a triangle, it is given a warning of something potentially dangerous. Can you draw an example of a water safety sign you have seen and explain what it means? And finally, number 10. If a sign near water is the shape of a circle, it is advising you of a danger and informing you of what not to do. Can you give an example of a water safety sign informing you what not to do? Well done. That concludes the test. So in these 3 sessions, we have looked at outdoor water safety, the water safety flags and signs, and planning a trip to the coast or lake. Please remember to stay safe when swimming indoors and outdoors.